Hello everyone, my name is Shannon and I'm a sewer manager here. Today we want to talk to you about a few tips to clean, maintain, and ultimately increase the longevity of your toilet inside your home. Tip number one will be the cleaning and maintenance. So not only do we, but the manufacturer always recommends that we just daily give a cleaning around the bowl using a toilet bowl cleaner or vinegar. Along with that, we want to make sure we're cleaning our toilet seat on the top side and the bottom side, and that's generally just because of what we're doing to our toilets. Tip number two, try to limit the amount of service calls on your toilets. The best way to try to limit the amount of service calls is to try to avoid putting cleaners, deodorizers, chlorine tabs, both in the tank and in the bowl. The ones in the tank tend to reduce drastically the lifespan of all the interior working parts of your toilets, which will cause leaking and running and things that just will annoy us until we get a service tech out. The thing with the bowl, it might come unclipped, get into the trap weight when you flush. Now we have a clogged toilet, which causes a number of other issues. Tip number three, protect your toilet's efficiency. Everybody loves it when the toilet gets everything out. So one way, the best way, to improve and keep your toilet's efficiency is to have a working softener. Without a working water softener, the hard water deposits will build up inside your siphon and your portholes of your toilet, which make the thing flush. We want to increase the toilet's life in that way. Fourth tip, avoid water damage wherever we can. No one likes having those kind of problems. With that said, toilets are one of the leading causes of unknown water damage in a client's home. So we always recommend, and insurance companies are going to recommend, some sort of audible or Wi-Fi alarm that will detect a drop of water or any kind of water leaking away from the toilet when you're not around and you can't see it. Thanks again for everyone taking the time to watch these tips and tricks, and I hope we limit your service calls and make these toilets last longer for you.